Welcome back. It's Local Edition. I'm Brad Pomerance. Thanks for joining us again. Our guest is Jerome Horton. Mr. Horton is a member of the California State Board of Equalization. Sir, we thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me, Brad.
It's a new year, and we're starting to think about our federal and state income taxes.
Yes,
But you are offering a service this Saturday, February 26th, which provides free income tax preparation services.
Yes.
Tell us about it.
It's the volunteer income tax preparation
Exactly.
program. And what we've done is we've assembled 100 volunteers.
Wow.
We've gotten them certified by the Internal Revenue and the Franchise Tax Board, so they're qualified individuals. They come to the table with an enormous amount of qualifications.
Federal and state taxes.
Federal and state taxes. And so we'll be preparing tax returns for individuals who qualify, Brad.
Which is?
Folks that are making less than $48,000 a year.
Which is a decent living, if I may say.
And here's the goal. Here's the goal, Brad, is that in California, there's $1.5 billion in what they call earned income tax credit.
We've talked about this.
We want to get that money back into the system. And can you imagine adding $1.5 billion to our economy?
And you qualify for this if your income is at a certain level, which is on the lower end of the pay scale, is that right?
Right. If your income is below $48,000, then you qualify for earned income tax credit. But there's also other credits that you're entitled to, and there's other programs that we want to make available.
And that's where this program can help, because you don't know what you don't know.
Right.
But they know.
We know, and we're prepared to assist and help.
So the event is this Saturday again. It is at Cal State Dominguez Hills. It's from 10 to 3 p.m. Actually, I got it right. Yeah, it's this coming Saturday.
This coming Saturday.
Now, we still have a job crisis in California.
Yes.
Unemployment starting to go down a bit nationally, but I was thrilled to hear, I guess, that you have over 400 jobs available at the State Board of Equalization.
Brad, we're hiring right now. Right now. Contact the Board of
400
Equalization, go to the state employment, and look up the positions that are available. The interesting thing is that we have positions for individuals right out of high school. We have positions at all levels. We have lawyers, we have accountants, we have entry-level positions. Very exciting.
I want to talk about the state employment roles, and I'm talking about government, the state government. I think there's a perception that California state government employs too many people. It's a bloated bureaucracy. Is that accurate?
California government is the most efficient organization in the state of California.
What was most interesting to me and why I wanted to ask you about this is I read a study and it said that in 2009, California state government had the 4th lowest number of employees per capita in the nation, meaning 46 out of 50, 25% below the national average.
Right.
That plays right against the narrative that California has a bloated state bureaucracy with too many employees.
Well, what it says to us is that we don't have enough employees. But it also says, Brad, is that we've got to be more efficient at what we do.
Anyway,
even though we don't have enough, we still have to be more efficient at what we do.
and if you include local employees through governmental agencies, California comes in 6th, meaning 6th from the bottom, 44th, 12% below the national average, 16% below Texas,
Right.
which is always the state that we are compared to. Well, Texas doesn't have this and Texas has that.
Right.
So talk to me again about that narrative that we're bloated and...
You know, considering the amount of taxes that California pays, we really don't get enough service. I mean, the California state employees, what people don't understand is that these are the individuals that protect our highways. They're the nurses in our hospitals. These are the individuals that provide us the most valuable services that we need. And do we need more services? Of course.
What's interesting about taxes is California likewise has a low business tax rate, lower than Texas, lower than Florida, lower than New York.
Well, study after study will tell you, Brad, that compared to other states, California has the lowest taxes, and we provide the greatest service with the minimum amount of employees.
Jerome Horton, thanks for joining us. We appreciate it. I'm Brad Pomerance. Thank you for joining us. Back to HLN.